Support provided by the Chesapeake and Newport News with chef-centric farm-to-table dining. thechesapeake.org.
Hi friends, Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay here in the Jazz Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. Thanks for watching the show. Today I'm going to prepare for you an old classic, delicious classic, chicken fettuccine Alfredo, right? It's a fairly simple dish to make, but I always say deceptively simple, not totally easy. But I mean, to get the right balance of the flavor profiles, you know, with the butter, with the cream, with the cheese, the garlic. Okay, so let's go over here to the stove, and I'm going to show you how I make my chicken Alfredo. I'm using the fettuccine pasta, which is right here. Okay, I have some chicken breast that I diced up. Okay. And season. What did I season this chicken with? Well, I seasoned with some black garlic pepper, black ramen garlic pepper, and some salt, right? And I'm going to wipe this dish out a little bit. And the reason I want to clean this pot, because once this chicken is done, I'm going to take it out and put my shallots in there and some garlic. Leave that over there. Okay. The pasta is cooking nicely. Just some fettuccine boiling over here, about 11-12 minutes. And I'm going to do something different too. I'm going to add some broccoli in here as well. Won't take these chicken pieces long to cook. Chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Cooking nicely. Spread it out. Get some evenness here. And now, I was talking about what I seasoned the chicken with, some black garlic ramen pepper that I order, right? But you can use just straight up black pepper, salt and pepper, right? If you want, put a little bit of garlic powder on it. That could work too. But I'm not, because I'm using some real garlic, diced up garlic. And when I dice the chicken up, I just let it sit for a while to absorb some of the flavors of the seasoning. The pasta is almost done. Here we go. Cook the pasta according to the box directions, which is usually around 11-12 minutes. And I got thin chicken breasts and just sliced these up. Just about another minute or so, these will be done. Medium-high heat. And in here, I diced up some shallots, well, one shallot, and in here, just some garlic. Fresh garlic, and some cream and Parmesan cheese. Almost. And the pasta, Yes. The pasta is ready. I'm going to take this off the fire over here. Now, let's get this chicken out of here. Woo! Okay. One more piece. Always one, right? Now, when the chicken is out, what I'm going to do is toss some butter in here with this olive oil. We are making chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Okay, the butter with some of that olive oil. I want to add some shallots. Shallots, and I want to add some garlic. 2-3 cloves of some finely minced up garlic. Do not burn the garlic, keep it from getting too brown. Wow, that smells good. Yummy. Now we want to add some heavy cream, about a cup. It's a rich dish, my friends. It is a rich dish. Turn this fire down a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more of this cream. Okay. And I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Okay. In there as well. It's about a half a cup, 3/4 cup. Some Parmesan cheese. Yes. Now we'll add just a little bit of salt. Whoops. And some black pepper. Alright, and now I'm going to add the chicken back in here. Wrong spoon. Ooh, man. Okay, we're almost there. I want to add some of this fettuccine pasta. Do this without making a mess. Might as well try for all. There we go. All right. Now we want to get this fettuccine mixed in with this sauce. You hear the scraping of the metal. It will not hurt my saucepans. And we have a couple of more things to add in this delicious Alfredo sauce. We have some parsley. Okay. Some parsley. And we are going to add some of this beautiful steamed, come back, broccoli in here as well. I steamed it here lightly, okay, because I don't want to. You don't want it soaking in that sauce. I know it'll be delicious, but make the broccoli too mushy. Mix that up a little bit. And some more. Cut up some more of this parsley. And there you have it, folks. Nice shot of that. Let's take it over to the counter and do that. Oh. Look at that. This is the chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Garnish it with some. That's the menu for today here on this edition of Cooking with Jay. Some chicken fettuccine Alfredo. An old classic, man. I love the Alfredo sauce with the cream, with these, I use some diced up shallots. You don't have to use shallots if you want, but definitely garlic. I'm going to use some garlic. I use both, some heavy cream and some Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. I seasoned the chicken with black garlic pepper, but you can just use black pepper, salt, and you can put some garlic powder on the chicken if you want. And I added some, more or less for garnish, some parsley, fresh Italian parsley, and just for my personal taste, put a little bit of broccoli in here, some freshly steamed broccoli florets. I didn't even season the broccoli because it's just going to absorb some of that flavor here of the sauce in with that. Okay, that's this edition of Cooking with Jay, Chicken Alfredo. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings starting at 6 p.m. on the WHO Public Media Facebook page. And it stays up on a page. If you can't tune in at 6, you can scroll later and check it out. I want to thank the Chesapeake for the continued underwriting support. Thank you so much for my program support. Greatly appreciate it. And I want to thank all of you for watching the show. If you have any questions or comments, always feel free to send me an email to j.sennett, jae.sennett@whrv.org. Would always love to know what you think of the show, or that you're cooking some of these dishes, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer your questions. So until the next edition of Cooking with Jay, my friends, be safe, and we'll see you again soon back here in the Jazz Kitchen. Take care.
Support provided by the Chesapeake in Newport News, catering to the palate of every single resident. More at thechesapeake.org.